The wedding dinner starts soon.
We need to leave in a few minutes.
Why can't we come too?
It will finish very late tonight.
You will be more comfortable here.
That makes sense.
This is for dinner tonight.
Thank you, Mom. Can we order fried chicken?
That sounds like a good idea. Remember to keep the doors closed.
We will be careful.
Call us if you need anything.
We will.
Have a great evening. See you later tonight. The adults have left. Interesting.
Let's order the food now. Good idea. The chicken meal looks good. Let's choose that one. The order is ready. Now we wait.
The lights are on.
Oh.
Someone is inside.
This show is funny. I like it too. This part is really funny. I know, I can't stop laughing. I love this show. It's one of my favorites. The food should arrive soon. I'm getting hungry. I hope the chicken comes quickly. Me too. Someone is here. Oh! That must be our order. Is it the delivery driver, Montague? Probably.
Yes, it's the delivery driver. Great!
Food delivery for Alex.
That's us. Ah!
Enjoy your meal.
Ah! Thank you so much. It smells amazing. Ah! Let's take it to the table. Wait a second. What's wrong?
Dad told us to keep the doors closed.
Good point. The back door is locked. That's good. Everything looks fine. Now we can eat. Finally! Let's enjoy our dinner. This looks delicious. It really does.
This is so good. I'm glad we ordered it.
Let's watch while we eat. Good idea. That character is funny. He's always funny. This is the best part of the evening. I agree.
Everything is quiet. Very quiet. Let's see. Is anyone paying attention?
The children are distracted. They're watching TV.
Locked. That's unfortunate.
There may be another way. I'll keep looking.
The back of the house is darker. That's helpful. Let's try this door.
No.
Maybe it's open.
Locked too. The boy was careful.
No one is in the kitchen. Interesting.
There must be another entrance. I'll find it. Wait a minute. The window is open.
Someone forgot to close it. Lucky for me.
No alarm. Perfect.
The kitchen is empty. Good.
I have to be very quiet so no one notices. The TV is loud.
Loud!
They can't hear me.
This episode is great. Yeah, it is.
Oops. Stay calm.
Did you hear that? Hear what? Maybe it was nothing. Probably.
That was close. I need to be careful.
Let's see if there's anything valuable. This looks valuable. I'll take it.
I heard something again. Me too.
Not bad. There is more.
Let's listen carefully.
Okay.
Did that come from the kitchen?
I think so.
Stay behind me. I'm nervous. Everything seems normal. Wait. Was that window open before? No, it wasn't. Someone came in! Oh no! We need to call the police! Right now.
Stay calm and stay hidden.
Officer waiver.
Officers are on the way. There may be a burglar in our house.
Please come quickly. Thank you. Let's hide. Okay? I'm scared.
The police are coming.
Stay very quiet. I will.
Just a few more things. Then I'll leave.
Police? Oh, Ray Salty. Already?
I need to get out! Now!
Police! Stay where you are!
No! Stop right there. You are under arrest.
Why are the police here?
Let's go inside.
Are you both okay? Yes. We called the police.
You both did the right thing. Calling the police was very smart.
We're very proud of you.
You stayed calm and safe.
We should always check the windows, too. You're right.
Stay safe, everyone. Thank you for your help.
I'm happy everyone is safe.
That's what matters most.